Hi! In front of me is BLACKVIEW BL6000 PRO 5G, and today I would like to show you how you can install and apply animated live wallpaper called Magic Fluids. You need to begin by opening Play Store and tapping on the search bar. Now type in Magic Fluids and install this app, that one, from this developer. After that, just open it. Now you need to click on those three lines at the bottom right corner. From here, tap on Settings and choose I accept in this pop-up. Now you can adjust all of wallpaper settings however you wish to. And when you're finished, click on the top right corner and bottom one again. This time though, select Set to Save Wallpaper, click Set Wallpaper and tap on one of those options. I will go with home screen only. Now when I click Home button, as you can see, my wallpaper has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!